Hello, guys. What can be more blissful when you know that you're going to visit to a place which is always been blessed and people go for prayers? Well, welcome back again, guys, to our channel K2 family. As I'm Hore Devan Mutani, te noshi pause of the Sogala. And it is not like an army out, I think it'ly lagi, so it'ly any, but every even the smallest gesture, you need to be very fortunate, and God has to give you that, He has to give you that will to be there at that place. As आम्ही देवसा होते सातातोनी पाणीबोडपा, one of the miraculous place, yeah, Sataton, a saint where thousands and millions of people pray, and as आम्ही होते हरे एक पाणीबोडपा to for thanksgiving for him, saying that आमकां सदा राखला सांबाळला आनी सगळ्यां पासून देव बरें करूं म्हणपा लागून, and for this beautiful life. भुरग्यांकूय तो वॅल्यू मेळपा जाय की लायक that we come, we visit for this kind of things in our life. And here is my K2 family, my queen, Apple, as Angel, and this is a small diva. Wait, take a ते केवणाय शिकोवपा नाका खरें म्हगे व्हडल्या पण मुगो खरें शिकोवपा पडटा बावड्या. शी इज व्हेरी सो सिंपल एंड सो सोबर लायक नो तेका म्हणपाक पडटा म्हाका, पण तेका सांगो नाका. शी इज लायक आय डोंट नो वॉट. चल हॅलो केशी हें कर गो बाबा, केशी हें कर सारकें सारकें सांगा ना ऑन तुका तुमी सगळीं बरी हें कर
बोली कुलून
बरी करून
माटी मेवया
माझी माया
प्लांटेशन
So Shamai, chal. Okay, friends. So I'll just leave now. Bye, Satai. Sanchi zalai. Panza paili. Evening much bye, sorry, and by time we be there, like odora bito pauta me. Ani, I'll be back with you guys. Okay.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so here we are. We already reached Deusa at Saint Anthony. Yeah, we are all here. Eyes, I think, Miss Sala. So there are a lot of people around. And just to take the evening glimpse of it, how it looks. The vibe of devotions that we pray, the people come with big faith. It's immense, and I would say John Eckler, who believes in Saint Anthony, will understand this. And this is our feeling, and definitely on behalf for you guys as well, we're going to pray. And I'm just going to offer some small prayers for myself. Yeah, we're all ready. Fulangeli, and we have the candles also with us over here. Okay, we'll see you in a moment. Hey guys, we met Jessie over here. Jessie is one of our regular subscriber. Like, she always writes for us, very kind and nice. Fortunate are we that we got to see and see where we met her. Deusa Ilola Saint and everything. Here they are. That's Jessie, that's Anthony, and that's her daughter Chelsea. Very nice meeting you. Compliments of season. I wish them also very good health and everything. Guys, really you're fortunate to see. Like, what are this stage ko kaun married mutti sarke.
The next day.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel K2 and family. I hope you all are doing well. Well, another day in paradise in Goa. Here we are, Goa. Where we are going today, guys?
the beach to beach
Where we are going?
beach
Beach roita igor.
we're going to beach
Kishan gailo poi. Kishanu or swimsuit or Angela galo. Angela nasa Angela galo. At Angela gana everybody. Yanke ede rodia. Ata ede roita bisti. Just to take the vibes of Goan beach. Yanke hardly sa yellow lata na kain karna पण आता एज बिस्ते होता बारीक सो इवनिंग यांची बरा याकोता just and machilo fun and fun ko त्यांची बरा they will be having nice little fun evening and mas सांचे लेटो बस होता because थोड़ा गर्मी आतना नाल्यारो सो मातशें उदकां बी हेडून मागीर रोखडी येवपा मागीर रोखडी न्ही गो ओय नादिया आपण रेडी सारको टॅडी बेर जावन येयला
स्वतःचे
आनी हो मुगे सारको लागलो मुगे बाबा तो सारको मुगे पुत्ते न्ही गो बाबा मुगे पुत न्ही गो तूं चल येता सो गायज पावले आमी आतां येडेर कितली उमेदीन पावले पळय सच अ स्क्रीन सो ब्युटिफूल आनी चोय हे आमगे हिंगा हॉलिडे करपा जाय आमी हिंगा आहा चोय हिंगा यूके अशी वॉट अ ब्युटिफूल प्लेस पार्किंग मेवल्या पण म्हाका देवा कडेन
भेट किशोर
आतांच एडेर पावला एडेर पावताच फर्स्ट एंड गेले आपणागे अशें मातये हेड पावला
First time coming to a beach.
and secondly Maggie I got a t-shirt for myself Goa say change girl something just see to the beauty of this beach now beautiful sunset zapaila right on the time here
This
and it's all the baby
the beach is perfect.
Tisha happy
Yeah.
okay really excited bye yeah you happy
Yeah.
yeah Angel is happy girl
Yeah.
Let's see. इतली थोंड ना हिंगा खंय थोंड हा सी wait don't go too far Bobby wait here only ओय तू ते म्हणटा हांव येयला किशा हॅपी येस there Kisha's leg on Mama's leg on inside Angel's leg on inside yes Kisha is for the first time on the beach over here
Deep in the water.
even in England we don't take her to the beach is she gone in UK anywhere on the beach no देख उमेद हा सारखी न्हांवपाची म्हाका भिरांत दिसता हें करपा मां बी न्हांवन बराबर आनी नायजेरान तीं येवपा पावनाय बिकॉज फोन बी हाती बॉल्सां बी सगले वॉट हॅपन इट्स ओके यू हॅपी चल कितें कर पुट इनसाइड किशा भरते पळय किशा भरते काडटा
पेट्रोल आहे
yes do it
पेट्रोल आहे काय नका
काय पुट इनसाइड yes it's okay fill it
अच्छा ही हायटायचंय कशी ईशा एक्साइटेड
Yeah.
सी यू
okay
ईशा
show me Angel
हैप्पी एंजल हैप्पी
I like the beach more than anything else.
या
wait
ते मत आहे
Goa.
वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स
By the way, I just wish I stayed in Goa now.
या अरे द कैसल इज गॉन
Angel girl we have to put more dry mud from there
I got there. Let's
हॅपी सारखें उदक म्हणल्यार बट वॉटर इज व्हेरी क्लीन सी बनावली बीच व्हेरी क्लीन
look where I go.
वॉट
Water.
we'll find some shells also maybe
Yeah, that's so
sit down nice hey no putting on your hair no putting on your hair Angela गेले swimming suit किशा जाता आता when she was 2 years I had bought for her आणि ते दोल्लोले त्या नानेक चोड दिले आणि चुई झाले actually memory is दोल्लो ते गेली but oh my god Kisha what is this must not throw on mama and so Angel वॉटर इज व्हेरी क्लीन बट आनी एसो टायमार बरें अशें मातशें वता कोडाचें जायना ताका लागून तांकां आमी इवनिंगू हाडलें. एंजल केअरफुल कम इन फ्रंट.
This is a shell. See? This is a shell and there's a crab inside. See?
Whoa!
See, they be inside like this. That's why you don't have to kill them. You have to protect them.
They belong to the sea and they have to
Belong
go back to the sea.
Let's go. Keep them alive. See? Don't go inside your bomb otherwise. Don't go too far away.
See हुआ काम.
Hey, see. Again, Sarka Neo, Noro,
Newlywed.
Wait.
I'm sorry.
Naughty good.
Again.
Angel, yo. अरे what's it? Show me your tattoo, man.
Yes.
Wow, it's a tattoo keltene.
I can't take it inside the water just yet.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Goodbye. There are lots of this there shops.
No, please.
No, Angel, no. What's it? Yeah, कुछ है किस तरह से? और दूसरा पुरगा झाला ऐसी वेल इसका.
More water.
The happy. You look so funny keeping your hand like that. तें टॅटू केला सो तेका तो हें करपा मेळना वेट करपा मेळना हँड तेका लागून तेका तेश कोन्न दवरपा पडटा.
No, I'm copying my tattoo.
सेव कोत्ता तेगे टॅटू. किशा से गोडपा दे गोडपा इज कम नो नाउ. एंजल गो दे वेल कशी असते वेल.
No water on me, okay?
Hey, don't put the water on the two. You've got tattoo over here.
Water on yourself. I'll help. Take. Isha, come, join me. What about it?
Alton Baba, how are you? Know that you are a corn. Nice to see you.
Hi, how are you? Hi. Are you one of
My
them?
sister, yeah, my
Sister?
sister-in-law.
Hello there.
Hello.
How are you? My daughter Alicia.
Hi, Alicia. Heard about your lot from dad. How are you? Where you staying here around? Benali. What's that? Dignauta? I call out to Eloha Monon, but I don't know. I just came out with the family just like that, very evening.
Is recording live? Huh?
Let's say my friend Elton.
Baba, कौन है ये live? हाँ, बेस्ट है.
Yeah, best है तो. Okay, guys, this is my friend Elton, classmate मुगेलो.
Oi.
Sweden असता. आज मैं वाला से किल्ले और सानी हाँ. After how long?
I don't know. 7-8 years असता.
8. I think so. Maybe that long. How's like?
हमके मालिटो हुए थे.
Malito सारे हुए हैं तो.
मालिटो.
It's usually Malito. Yes, Malito is fine. Malito. So guys, we have come here to John C's now in Benalim for, I don't know, snacks, dinner, drinks, what, I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's see, whatever it is.
cold one.
But we just come over here with a nice ambient, much bostai, and we'll see how it goes. I think so this is for after a long time that all families sitting with this on a table, like, you know. See. So, only barawa bolla hai bhai.
We are free, got this one. What do you love? And then, man,
आपण काढून आहे तो एरिमा पहिल्याचा एरिमा.
the gentleman is waiting.
See guys, what we got? Can we have this beer?
Yeah.
Whoever finishes this beer is prepared to pay the bill.
She's there now. She's finished.
माय माता गेली वेब सिरीज
Take a picture with her. Who's going to have it?
That's
See, who's going to have it? She's going to have it.
my getting it. And that's your drink. Cheers everyone. Cheers.
What you're doing? Joining us.
She just having a, like teasing her. The best moment, like Kisha my joda bola dega. Nice, my nice good. Mike blessing di. Mike nice good. Nice. Yes. Our first dinner with the newly wed people over here. I think घर तो बहुत small लो, जाना पहले अभी. And luckily George uncle पावले थे. Engo, tiga bosan mana nego? London na bosan mana tu kah? Hebatin. Ah, jangan bing bos le kami. And here we are. What is it? Hi. What है हमें क्या? मैं लॉलीपॉप आता. You want this one? लॉलीपॉप आता मैं. ऐसे है तिका. त्यांगा म्हणजे एडियर रोर आर के रोट्या चे. एडियर घेऊन असं रावलाय पाहिजे अरे त्यांका. Where we go? Water.
She came back to Dada. Yeah, you think I want to.
Let's go.
Dada won't.
Since it's almost done. Our dinner is done. We had a really good time, isn't it, Kisha? Yes. Where? So, we want to go there. Where on the beach? Yeah, I want to go in the water. So, water. I think you are going to water. What? Anyways, guys, it's time to go home now. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say adios.
Adios.
Adios.